bottom side of this connector, you want to squeeze the tab, press it in, grab the connector, and remove that. Next, use a 8mm socket and extension. Grab the sensor, gently wiggle that out. It's just held in by an O-ring. Apply a light coat of engine oil to the O-ring to help that slide in. Line up the sensor. Pop that in. Line up your 8mm bolt. Go ahead and snug that bolt down. Reconnect your connector. I'm going to torque our cam sensor bolt down to 62 inch-pounds.